Aisha, you say your business now, you know, be scam. I go pay for one person for conversation now, 300 now. And you go bet 5,000 euro. And I give that person where you want train under 1 year. If you make 5,000 euro for this business where they talk.
You don't want state government.
Oh yeah, make you better.
You don't want state government. You want better.
Oh yeah, now.
Me. Oh yeah, bring person come. Bring person come.
Oh yeah. Mama, you get account.
When I even they do
I go send the money for you. I know even no argue. Mama,
pay for person.
No argue.
No argue. This one not be argue.
You don't want state government. Waiting now they use me, they call for this social media self.
No argue now.
Bring
Mama,
the person
you get
come.
account. Make I send you 300 euro.
My link, go enroll for my link.
I don't need to enroll on your link. One bet now, not be enroll or anything.
Yeah, you go tell the person where you want bring come. Call the person, may come up. Then the person go give you email. May you go use the email enroll.
Men are pay for me. I
don't talk. Waiting I use meeting for this abroad, for this Europe self.
Hope say you understand what I talk, yeah.
The person go make the money if the person put in the effort to do the thing. Because mama, as you
take the effort, you know, because I mean about effort.
Say you they go up, mama. If you not go up, they go pay you salary. If you want go that work, if you reach work, you go for the hand, you know work the work. And they bring something wey go help everybody. When they go fit
no argue now.
Being jobless. Una they bash me.
No argue. Wait, I will transfer the money now.
Please pay for the person. I beg. Pay for the person.
Now with the spread bed, they wash toilets.
Okay. You go pay that 5,000. You will pay it.
Eden, do you still have anything to say, Eden?
If the person do AI content for 1 year, you no make that money, me go give you back. If na talking business you do, you no make that money, I will give you. If na shine you do, you no make that money, I will give you. Oh yeah, let's bet.
Moderator, please, guys, be active, okay? If any people be there, please block them or mute them.
Mommy Queen, good morning. I be the great to
Mama, I bet let this man pay the money before we go for another person. Pay that money, sir.
Good afternoon.
Because God, they are God's people.
Hey, Patrick, I see you. I see you. Who they talk now? Mona Power Tap, who they talk?
Wait
now. Make this man pay this money now. If you don't know what is digital skills be like who go learn dresser. If you learn dresser,
you don't know anything about all those things where they talk. I know.
Oh yeah, now make this man pay the money now.
Yeah, I want disgrace you.
Yeah, disgrace me now. I day here. You know, say you jam intelligent lady for this TikTok. I'll rubbish you come up for here. What do you they think like?
You are who?
Oh yeah, give me your question. Bring it on. Register who you want register.
Digital
skills, Mama. Digital skills mean like maybe
if you are here on behalf of AWE, please power tap on the platform.
Mama, wait. Digital skills be like who go learn hairdresser now. As you learn that hairdresser finish, you can't dey use and they work. You know make money if you use that hairdresser work. Now so digital skills be. You think you are intelligent or you can't pay for person. People dey
pay for students. Mona first give me my lion first, oh.
People dey can't pay for students. Why you not talk again?
Aisha, we are going to dialogue. Let me tell you. One thing is that if we dey tie, we dey lose. If we dey tie, we self dey lose. We are going to settle this cause. If you drop lion, me go bring her down. I will use the local language to teach people. The language you are using to teach these people, every students, they're not going to understand. If we bring her down to my own level, my own people will register that you will get nothing minimum of 15 students instantly now. Now we dey run now. Here is politics. Don't mind everywhere.
My phone.
Don't mind everywhere that is telling hey, politics. Here is a game, I see lady. Here is a game. I'm telling you the truth, nothing but the truth. Do you hear me? So, are we good to go? Who they drop the lion? Drop lion. Then me go break and down. I can never destroy somebody's business. Never.
No, I don't drop lion. Okay.
I have never destroyed somebody's business, Aisha. What we are telling you now?
You don't run, no go. No go.
Well, you want to? You say you want to send that money? Just now, what the Aisha?
Waiting with the tell.
No go.
Waiting with the
I won't press my code. No go. Come back to. Where you they go?
Make Aisha send a question. That means you say you
Money
want
they
to.
don't be say money they say I dey press am for my see. Cash dey now all night. No go. Come back you.
Wetin never go? She never give you account now.
Yeah, I want me there drop account. No be say cash today. I dey press my code. May you come back. No go. Where you
Na
dey
Aisha,
go?
not
code
to make money.
na
Say
code
you
you
say
want
you
to
fit
do.
train
Today
her.
Aisha dey ask you say do am.
No be code. I will take transfer bank money for my account. I want to transfer money for my account.
Only tomatoes. You wait. This
Larry,
will be blessing. Only tomatoes will
Come
be
on,
here.
no go.
whether na lion I be the issue, we can never agree to
Lion
say.
are not now. No go. You know where you dey go?
Tomiwa wait. We can never agree say in the steal from Aisha and Bliss. We they agree our own say. You hear na le bubu yeke na ABC they talk true to. Bubu yeke agree say they are using what they have to get what they don't have. Wait that one me. You wait they write down say whether na lion na be the issue. Huh? Huh? Wagwa comment the queen and lion dey your eye. Aisha, may you drop lion so that we go rearrange this thing. No, if not, now me go tell these people, may they come out your picture. And me, Queen Love, your picture will be dropped down instantly. People they send requests, and I mean now carry them come up. Please, no insult. Please, no matter who you represent here, no matter who you be to me, no insult. Now see it there, no insult. Please, we are not insulting anybody. Aisha, na politics we dey. You need more students. We not give you students. Me, Queen Love, go give you 15 candidates, Nana. 15 candidates now will give you. We not will give you.
I'm already. Wish I could.
Play trouble up and down. Aisha, they want to pay for students now. But you should drop my lion first. Too.
Hey, Aisha, come up. I bet Auntie Aisha, come up. Oh.
Aisha, they want to pay. Oh.
That's the one pay for me for free. 300 on a big money. I beg.
They want pay for you. You can be spy on it.
After me blackmail.
You see,
Oh, that my sister will pick. Now my sister won't pick.
Everybody be like you.
Bless we are blessed spy on it.
Everybody be like you.
Bless spy on it. Bless spy on it.
Mama, I bet me out 6 lion. I 6 lion.
Mommy, Tomiwa, who do you want to pay for?
6 lion, I won't pay for.
Mona pay for me.
Queen Love. They go give a we. They go choose now. It don't reach my tongue. That's why I never reach to each lion. And for every platform, no students don't register. Nobody don't register. Aisha, people are waiting for you. They want to pay for students. Because every
Queen Love.
Aisha, come up. They want to pay, please.
Queen Love.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here, please.
Who the one pay for? The person he ready to the chat. Digital marketing is
No,
real.
you know they do this.
No,
No, you know go shout.
but you go ready to the chat, follow everywhere. Say, Mona,
no, the person no shout. Because
Why you destroy and finish?
no, don't be destroyed.
Who the one pay for? Now you come know you want to say market.
I just tell you.
no, we know the person know they sell link because now link she they sell.
Because now the digital marketing. Now true the get
Make the boy your pay. Make the bros your pay the money.
you know go stay inside room.
Yeah.
Because they
So that may not cause problem.
Aisha, I'm gonna draw some people first.
No, the person know they sell link because it's saying a legit business. They know they sell link. And I will pay the money now. So if you think they get money from that school where you teach now, without not selling link, I will pay them. Now
They
the
are
phone
very
and
funny.
Aisha, you mean, Aisha na 419. Mama, put it full access now. No, there full access now.
Not
Use the full
before
access.
19. Aisha, my
only
sister,
one
reduce
line
the
away.
money.
You know what we
If
don't do
people
for.
they
Come
make
here,
am
come.
small, you go the iron. Now so that
Aisha,
they
come,
do
let's
am.
settle this thing now. Some people said you should reduce the money. Some people
No, you
said
know
you
they
are a
reduce
fool.
money. I am away talk.
Which
I go
one do
pay.
you want to
Which one
do?
be?
Are you going to reduce or which part do you want to participate? And she said she
Baba,
dey
I'll
busy.
go.
Okay, why you call Aisha Uduodogbo because a marking answer near. People want pay, they want
So me what they
register now.
go,
If
that
you
one
get
na 419. You don't
I
know
don't go. You
419.
don't.
Toluwa wait,
419.
she go
Aisha,
soon come.
100,000 euro. Why not for call? Aisha don't let Aisha
Me, they don't
let
go
Aisha
record me. I
me
don't
no
want me to
to
record me. I'm
let.
going to go.
Remember this
I fit
tomato
drop
seller
my
wey close
account, you drop
Apalapa.
am for my account. You don't know. You know what pay na
Hey,
month you go.
blessing, where I love you, where I love you, blessing. See your operator
My
big passenger. Hmm? Hey, blessing, you want
Hey,
let
where
digital
mama for
marketing.
dey cry? Mona mute abeg.
Miss this thing. Mama, people are
Hi.
my saga. People are my analyzing. Because I want to analyze. I never finish. I never learn.
Oh yeah, fire down, fire down. Aisha no
God
wa
bless
come.
you, Commander.
Aisha, people want to pay now.
Now,
You are not here. Maybe she busy.
now, as I was saying before, Aisha, listen to me. First of all, that your
Okay,
business,
Toluwa
that's
said
for
it's
the
still here.
no
When
get the
you are
commercial.
ready, they want to pay.
Aisha not go come up again. Listen, and I know now we not get
Aisha,
documents.
people want to
Aisha,
pay now. Oh, may you not say we
mama,
dey
ma
spoil
fire
business
down
now. People want to
me,
pay now.
mama, me am
Oh
when
yeah,
you on
sorry.
this guy. Gumemwe yo ni so
Oh
le
yeah,
gbero
talk.
do. We gumemwe yo ni so. Me ha
Oh yeah,
agree e
talk
pa
now.
o le gbe o do.
Talk. You know say your voice not still come out like that. Oh yeah, talk.
Mhm. So as I was saying, Aisha, you now, you believe on a no gay because you said people not get a no gay platform. You want to go sit down. And I no gay now, I no get ready to, I no gay resemble hungry animal we open my down. A no gay na thief, a no gay na central, a no gay na me talker. If to say not be all
I
this
beg Monique,
Aisha,
carry that comment come up for there, please. With all due respect,
if to
Monique,
say,
carry your comment come up for there.
if to
I
say
use
not
your
be
best.
business na by choice,
If
if
you
you
reach a
don't
no
want
get
to
time, may
pay.
you drop that comment, please.
I say you need to another the promise ring is 3 years, not give marry. So now, no guess I was saying, more relax, not at all. Now, Aisha, you say lucky na saga, you are speaking record, you say lucky na saga. Lucky na come say, may you bring record come outside. You don't see record bring come outside. Then Enogi now another hand, you could say lucky na as they play the ball game to Enogi favor. Because of say Enogi the fear boy Aisha na Enogi go up platform say Aisha, they jealous you, say lion, Aisha go already there. Meow. Meow. Aisha, your Aisha, your husband money and your work money. You know, say even Aisha not the benefit for this digital marketing. Aisha, even you know the benefit for this digital market. You say you don't get money, Aisha, because you if man, I be the thought they
Even
come
please
before they
not get
complain.
chichi. Please not get chichi. Nobody
See,
register. Give me that.
Mama, may you listen now, listen. Aisha, when Aisha come here, see bed where Aisha, you will say they make 2,000 euro, 5,000 euro. See the kind of bed where Aisha they sleep. Eh? Your bed there, you call Dazu and Dazuwa. You want to talk.
Again, what go, man?
Mama, fire down. Aisha want to talk. Aisha, your plan to cut talk and go pack like 500 people, 300 euro. Times 300 euro times 600 people because you're not going to get 6,000 views. Aisha
Tara,
no
give me me.
target that money, say that money go only 10,000. You want to carry that money go Nigeria. Aisha, bless her. Aisha, I
Give
don't
me
get
milk
that for
from
one
the
night.
jar.
Aisha, that for one. Aisha, you be thief. How you go say what they collect 300 euro for one client? And what you want to show so now I have to put it on shop. Eh? I have to put it on shop, Aisha. You see, you want to collect 300 euro for one person to put it on shop. Now thief go kill you. 180,000. You see, huh? Then Aisha guesses, you want to use big meat. Aisha, they use big meat to set trap. They wait for big one. You know,
My head is sorry, yeah. When my baby, the one when you tell
you
the
dey
pepper,
give the no get lion because you know say no get the
yeah,
views.
writing was
So
with so
you go
written
say
on
I
the
thought
wall.
for sure that views that money for lion maybe like 600 people register. No, I know I say money no go
Hey,
rara.
don't calculate already.
Oh,
But at the end now, you know they don't chop una money. Now no
no
get where
get
they
not
play.
get passenger. Even people they say now single mother say what Aisha take fuck up. Aisha that kind of business is
You
better
they
for
do
you
it for
to
your platform.
mama.
If they no verse 1 minute and
Fire
one
down, fire down.
second. I don't feel tell Aisha. If Aisha they do this thing for a platform without no stress, no fight, no saga, you go see people where you can't register. We
You
can
go get
never give
engagement.
you give you like make it give you original candidates. We can never give you legit candidates. He no go give you, na true they tell you. And if you see go by force in goddaughters, one of the goddaughter like Nijo Mo Neviewu, you can say okay, maybe you can't go. Aisha, I want bring this person, I want pay for her. And the end, that person don't see the result, bring come out. After we don't chop your lion, if we change that for you, you never know that guy. I bet them you talk. That they help your
God
life if they
bless
do
you.
for them.
So, on the Yemi conversation, Aisha, you mean say you don't go out for FYP, you're out for FYP, they listen to become me, now the truth with
So
there
you
at the
say
top.
they call. I don't know.
You know,
If you want to go meet
yeah,
no
make the
we
FYP, they
may
listen to me for there. So, as I
go
was
meet
saying,
we. I know it's now to they
as
disturb
I was,
us.
Mama, listening, as I was
Digital
saying,
marketing never come with a chop. I bet it them you talk.
So as I was saying, Aisha, Nana, a no gi now because looking at the saga, you go already say no gi because you want to prepare there. Aisha don't use all the money with they say has they gift a no gi finish. A no gi now, Mama Nora. All those are the hungry lion. A no gi
Yes,
na
now.
hungry lion. A no gi ready when you give her 600 lion a day. A no gi way be say go they platform, you go say they jealous me, they don't want they give me, they don't want to do give away. Now that a no gi target na that money, a no gi target na rose money go lion and give and money na be target. And Aisha said your target na still the same money. Aisha they target 300 euro for student, they no get the target lion for Aisha, now so your big.
Yeah,
A
now,
no
now so.
yeah, Aisha target na make more customer register, make for see money for his house. You know, the target na make Aisha dey could dey qualify customer so that he go dey collect more lion. And luckiness now na my godmother as they saga Aisha na I know they go dey get there. I know they go platform later now tell am say, Aisha, why you go go platform? You know say could na jealous me. You know say could dey jealous me. Aisha move that one go still go carry lion na. You know guys, way your auto we want this one
Aisha,
was
bring
don't
one
worry.
lion. May we give you students now. You not come up. Well,
No, they
we
don't.
no give her.
Mama, Aisha, no, Aisha, even say Aisha don't go school. Aisha no, they do any digital marketing. Aisha na TikTok shop they do. Na TikTok shop Aisha they do. Aisha don't get with it. Aisha don't know anything. Sure, now because some people don't know the use of this their phone. So when
She
they
said
they
she
know
be software engineer. And
this
people say they
software. So
don't
why they
understand
ask, and they
English.
ask, and they ask Aisha, I say, what? Me don't want to tell her what and what do you need to create a website. Aisha don't people tell me say the software manager, the software this one. What be those things what you need to create website? What do you need? Well, Aisha, you know what they call, you know, man, not talk because people with there are tomatoes people. Aisha, if to say this your market, this your digital, what you want to scam people, so you know, you want to carry, you know, say no
I
get
bet
junction
when I
upon.
carry them come down.
You know,
They
say
want
no,
to.
Mama, man, they tell the truth. You know, say no get platform, a trouble platform, no get platform, a saga platform. You want to invest, saga
They
people,
go
for they
well,
go do
government.
digital market. How many people there now?
We
Procure
say no go come to they do digital marketing. That's
no
why we
get
know
school,
for
no go
Saga.
school. No get when you for man
They
or
don't
herself,
say not
Mama.
to do that in name. Egbe wa go
Mama,
man. Can you
mama
imagine?
mama not a digital market na be account balance how much you want collect for Aisha na be the digital marketing when you are roll video your line na be the digital marketing you are Aisha your money go finish for this digital marketing you no go gain profit you no go see customer
Leave am.
you no go see 300 euro
Not just
patakpata
say
na
na help
small
you
you
pay
go
for
see
am.
no get say they jealous and no get ogun ogbu
Now only few no get they give them for there. Even Bliss, Bliss don't do I sumo. Nothing Bliss don't do I tunge.
that view mama that view na aproko wey no get dey turn na where they go dey do for no as view for no be aproko wey dey turn for no be dey park on just na view see aproko le yan lele yan aproko do some of my see saga view wey dey here say so women dey here na they never check prices money na pint na a pint wa ya kai a pint wa ogbuki wa re saga la go suffer ide si ola ide
I beg
ogun
you go look
gbera
at me over.
agree there mama fire down ma Aisha don run Aisha
Thank you, my brother. After let them say don't pack lion give you a we finish. They go carry rotten bed come out for inside. If you see where let them say they sleep. Anya me fear ha. If you see where let them say they sleep, children not get bed. Our children they sleep on ordinary ground. Have a fake life people. Lion or nothing. Ewi go say lion or nothing. Good. Well, my lion gear, but Ewi cannot give you candidates. I say so. If Ewi don't give you 20 people, we don't register with receipts. Mona can use and take sagami. Mona bring and come make I see am with my 2 eyes. Now only view Ewi will give you. Say in the chat that they congratulations to Aisha. 1K view for the first time. You want let people know say don't give view after view. What happened? What is the next?
No matter that one give you, so a lion son, Aisha can't go for that one give you. Aisha Bolone, Aisha Bolone. Aisha, you don't use your lion, you use lion to the bad.
Their vacation money for this year and next year don't go.
Aisha, even yesterday, the mother yesterday, na Gary and beans Aisha drink sleep. I see her me yeah.
I go eat there where they always say.
Gary, a busy guy. Aisha don't get
it for it there and
Aisha husband this morning not sure go work food not there but Aisha they throw line for no give what take 5 customer you go suffer Aisha don't worry you go suffer money when they charge support money they buy line
people like Aisha now you not go buy after me for picking go they buy beba oh yeah they beba the most poorest and cheapest baby milk for supermarkets. God have beg, God forbid. Aisha, may you change you, yeah? If what they really they do say genuine, you don't need to stress yourself. What up, please? Hey, please, the giver. Be on a couple, please. Enoge I be happy people. I did not talk about it, Nugbeo. All my video I've been doing praying for Enoge. You deaf? Because Enoge, they help people. I have done more than 5 videos to pray for Enoge and appreciate him. So since he had not green again, should I not move on? Now Enoge life I come. Did I come Enoge's life? I have my own life to live, okay? When I was praying for Enoge, during the time that I was feeling that, okay, oh, he's helping humanity. Okay, were you deaf and blind? Where were you? Where were you? Huh? Okay, make the con reka Aisha. Make the reka Aisha and blizzomo. Enoge they help humanity. Now only they do one. Is Odogu Kiwi not doing it? Have I not been doing it? Did I told you that I have never support humanitarian here? Why is it that anything that concerns we should not strip naked? We should strip naked. Make I strip naked, Abi. Make I come on my clothes. May I go dance naked for Mesostrada. May I go dance naked for road. Because say they help you a humanitarian. You where you your comment that comment. Why you not carry your papa go there? Make you naked your papa. Make you go put oxygen for your papa. Say your papa go by 2 days. If they not donate for her. Pray to be the giver. Pray make your family member not sick. May they not get any problem. You dey hear? Begging is not an achievement. Why Agbeo for that comment? Begging is not an achievement, okay? If begging is an achievement, I wish it for you and Ewi. For begging should be your achievement. They mad. Not mine now. God bless you, my dear sweet. My dear sweet, thank you very much. Begging now is not an achievement. So I should go and resign my work and go and be begging. To go and beg. People will not get dignity, eh? They can never be my friend. I love people with dignity. People with self-confidence. Go see what Kokomo they do. Send request, go there. A woman of 50-something years. Yes, they do her. You don't send request, go on camera. She cannot do it in her platform. She's just forcing herself for them to donate for her. Not that she need the money, she not handicap or she not the sick. So that make her blood pressure for come down. Just wait, because say, Frank Victor not do for her, make a we can do. He go now have a boy buy in the nearest future. Iyenuko Komogo, they bring it sort to her daughter. I see. Not be people they comment for you just now say, he did there go they beg. Now then no. That one consign them, no consign me. You say that he beg me to pray for her. Ogun ki ave gbo nenegui.